Welcome to Activate. In this video I would like to briefly explain to you how to correctly report your year-end volume to the Zentrale Stelle in LUCID. As a small hint, with Activate you do not have to report year-end quantities. Therefore, please always report the licensed quantities according to our confirmation, even if you may not have fully required them. We will also report the quantities according to your confirmation for reconciliation. To receive your year-end volume confirmation, please go to activate.reclay.de and log in with your email address and password. Under My Account, you will find the tab Orders. Now select any order for the license year 2022 by clicking on the eye at Action. In the annual quantity confirmation, all orders you have placed for 2022 will be summarized, regardless of the time of licensing. Now click on Send Yearly Quantity Confirmation by email, and you will receive your confirmation by email within a few minutes. If you need to relicense more quantities for 2022, you can do so conveniently via our online portal. The yearly quantity confirmation will be updated automatically after approximately 24 hours and can then be requested again. To report your quantities at the Zentrale Stelle, please go to verpackungsregister.org and log in there as well with your email address and the corresponding password. In your LUCID dashboard, you will find the data report. If you are not sure which reports you have already submitted, you can view them again under Submitted Reports. All reports are listed there with the corresponding reporting period. For the year-end volume report, go to Submit Data Report and select Start in the Year-end Volume Report field. The reporting period is 2022. For licensing via our Activate portal, please select Reclay Systems GmbH as the system operator. As a small hint, 3 decimal places are always displayed at the Zentrale Stelle. This means that 10.000 is indicated for 10 kilos. Now click on Review. The quantities must be listed here according to our confirmation. If this is correct, go to Save and you have submitted your year-end volume report correctly. Thank you for your attention.